In this tutorial, we will be looking at the new features for the clipping plane and clipping box. Log into 3D Repo and open a model. You can activate the clipping plane at the bottom of your screen in the Tools bar. When activating a single clipping plane, it always appears at the top of the model. You can drag the clipping plane up or down by pulling on the arrows. If you wish to change the orientation of the clipping plane, click on the Rotate button. When activated, select any face of the model elements to align. You can change direction of the clipping plane by selecting a flip button from the options. Alternatively, you can delete the clipping plane by selecting the X button. Using the Clip feature, you can also activate a section box by starting Box Clip option. 6 clipping planes automatically become visible around your model. You can modify them individually by pulling on the arrows. If you wish to rotate the clip box, select a side view section and click the Rotate button. You will notice a change in your clip box orientation. When activated, select any face of the model elements to align. You can delete individual clipping planes by selecting them and clicking on the X1 button. If you wish to remove the entire clip box, select any of the clipping planes and click on the X6 button.